Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to look at how to control exactly which visuals your slicer affects in Power BI using the Edit Interactions feature. This allows you to lock specific charts so they don't change when a user makes a selection in your slicer. Welcome to MadeEasy. My name is Jane. With our dedicated MadeEasy team, we're here to simplify software learning. Dive into our comprehensive video tutorials for a smooth learning experience. In this Power BI canvas, you can see that every visual changes when a district manager's name is selected in the slicer. In this scenario, we want to prevent this specific donut chart for total sales by district manager from filtering when using the slicer. Let's look at how to set this up. First, click on the slicer that you want to adjust to select it. Next, look at the top menu ribbon in Power BI. Click on the Format tab. On the far left of the Format ribbon, click the button called Edit Interactions. Once you click it, you will notice small icon controls appear in the top right corner of every chart on your page. By default, the filter icon is selected, meaning the slicer will change that chart. To stop the slicer from affecting a specific visual, move your cursor to that chart's controls and click the small circle/icon called None. As soon as you select None, you can test it by clicking different options in your slicer. You will see that the rest of your report updates, but your locked visual stays exactly the same. To finish and hide these control icons, simply go back up to the top ribbon and click the Edit Interactions button once more to turn it off. If you change your mind and want to revert this setting so the slicer affects the visual again, select your slicer and make sure Edit Interactions is turned on. Move your cursor back to the icons in the top right corner of the donut chart. Click on the funnel icon, which is called Filter. This instantly restores the connection, and the visual will once again filter dynamically when you make a selection in your slicer. And that's it. That is the simplest way to control which visuals your slicer affects in Power BI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more quick, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.